Which smartphone features use the most power? Hello everyone. Today, we will discuss an interesting topic: which smartphone features consume the most power. With the increasing demand for powerful devices, it is essential to know about the features that drain the most battery quickly. So, let's divine. First up is the display. A high-resolution screen with sharp visuals requires more power to draw and display images and videos. To maintain battery life, manufacturers have started using more energy-efficient displays, such as LED or AMOLED, which consume less power compared to LCD screens. Next is the processor. As smartphones have become more advanced, so has the processor's speed. High-performance processors like Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 or Samsung's Exynos 2100 require more power to function effectively, which can drain your battery quickly. Another major power-consuming feature is the camera. Smartphones these days come with triple or even quad camera systems, enabling users to take stunning photos. High-quality sensors and lenses demand more power to process and capture images, contributing to a faster drain of the battery. Lastly, connecting to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth also uses a significant amount of power. Regularly checking messages, browsing the internet, or streaming music can drain your battery quickly, especially when on standby. In conclusion, the display, processor, camera, and Wi-Fi Bluetooth features are some of the key factors that can consume most of your smartphone's power. To extend your battery life, it is advisable to adjust these features according to your needs, or use low power modes when they're not in use.